welcome to this first tutorial of plugin making. So we will be making plugins for CraftBukkit 1060. It's CrafBukkit version for beta 1.7.3 version of Minecraft. So basically every beta server there is runs this server software or something other software is based on it. Some popular software is used nowadays. The base of this are project Poseidon made by Johnny Muffin. Enviroment is used by some servers. Of course, what I'm personally using is beta world within CP 1060. It's very much like this with bug fixes and some additional factors. This project Poseidon is like based on this, but it has stuff from newer Bukkit versions. Some of the changes I don't personally like, so that's why I made my own version. And Bukkit is based on Poseidon, if I'm not wrong, and it has even more features and supports multiple protocols and stuff. But yeah, if we make plugins for CraftBukkit, 1060, we need a couple things. First of all, we need an editor. I will be using Eclipse. It does not matter which version of Eclipse you use. I'm gonna go with Indigo because I mean it's not the best version, but I'm not like the newest computer right now, and it's older, but it's what I have been using this all time, and I'm most familiar with it. But they're all pretty similar, so you can use a newer Eclipse version. Just please note that Eclipse needs an Java to run, and newer Eclipses need newer Java. So if I'm not wrong, latest version to run with Java 8 is 2019 keyboard setting. What is this? Interesting. I think I need to restart my computer because I don't have. Wait. Okay, but that's weird. I changed my keyboard from normal, so yeah. 09 is the latest version to run Java 8, so I maybe won't recommend that for you. I will use Indigo. Indigo does not support Java 8, but this is actually the next topic. CrafBukkit is made for Java 1.5 minimum. Same with Minecraft for this version. But I'm gonna use Java 1.6 because that's still supported version by Java. So yeah, let's start. So yeah, we will start by downloading Java 6. So let's give this a moment. Java 6 down. There we go. Here is this is good website. I mean, I don't really like this website, but what you wanna do is to there is these two versions. If you are on Windows, if you're 64-bit Windows, you will want to download this. I'm on Windows XP, and this is 32-bit or x86. 26, so I'm gonna download this. This website really like sucks. I mean this is like terrible website. So when you're like downloading this file, it will ask you to accept Bukkit website doesn't work. I will skip downloading this, but you have to like create the account here. That really sucks. But I'm gonna actually put this both in description, just the file you get from here, so you have the exact file and you don't need to like download this from this website. But yeah, next thing we want is Eclipse Indigo. Or what I want is Eclipse Indigo. I mean, it will work for you too. So yeah. And what version I'm looking is this for Java developers, because we are programming Java. Once again, I'm gonna take this version, but you wanna take this version. Most likely. If you don't know which one to take this. But I'm gonna take this 32-bit version. And let's just put that into my desktop. I'm gonna actually launch my FTP server and send the file over from my another computer. You saw the error because I had it already running, I forgot. But yeah, let's stop this, and now I have all of my files here. So let's make a new folder for this. Let's make I will make just folder name like this and move these all files into it. Then we have this Eclipse has loaded, hopefully. Yep, here we are. So let's take this and move it to here. Okay. Now we have these three files here. So this is Eclipse, simple CrafBukkit server, and Java. Now is the moment that you have to decide which folder you wanna save all of this stuff. So for example, I would go like my own document files and maybe place it into, I don't know, let's make folder and name it as well, let's start with by opening this Indigo. So we have Eclipse folder here, and this is the Eclipse. I will just like move this to here. This is 7-zip, by the way. You don't have 7-zip or WinRAR or anything, you need also download that. I will be putting the link, if I remember, in description. If I remember, I might just forgot this. So yeah, here we have Eclipse. I will send this to desktop, so I get shortcut here to this, and now I will close this. Next thing is that I will install this Java. So I assume you already have Java on your computer, but if you don't have, you're fine with this, but I recommend to get something newer like Java 8, because most of the programs work with that. But we're gonna install this. We could use Java 8 also, but I like to do it better this way because it's just easier. So now we wait a little bit. Or a lot. I don't know what it's doing out here finally. So what we want developer tools, we want source code, but we don't really need this, but whatever. So supported this open source Bukkit deb. I don't think we need that. We don't really need a public IRE, but I mean, if you don't have anything else, this is basically the Java. This is what we use to develop, and it also comes with the Java, so private IRE. Will it just like work better without that? Yeah, I haven't really planned this much. Then we have simple server. We will extract it in this folder. I'm not sure what the password will be for you, but for me it's something like this. Yeah, there might not be password on your file, but yeah. So this is the very simple server. And now we have Java. So we will do quick restart and continue after this. After that. So alright, welcome back to the tutorial. Here we are, returned to here. So, what we have done now is that this thing didn't change. So, this is very nice thing. I'm not sure what's up with this thing, but yeah. So, why is it doing this? Never mind, now it seems to be working. So, we were checking the Java version here. So, it seems that I still have version 8 installed as a default, so that's very good thing. We can exit from this. And if we go to our computer, and in program files we should have Java folder here, and we should have this IDE Go 1.6.45, and there is Java. And if we open, we go to this location. Oh, I don't have. Like this, and now we can do that thing just keeps changing. Can you stay there? This computer, sometimes it's very good. So we will actually make this now the default language, like this. Wait, and now if I open this, so let's do it that again. Let's go here and take Java.exe. That's version, and we can see that this is 1.6. But for Java in path it's like 1.8, so this is a very good thing, and it should be like this. So now that we have this installed, we have everything we can start with. So first off, I will move this Eclipse shortcut here, and I've just lost it. need anymore. We can move this here, and this here. So basically we have Eclipse, and yeah, I will just rename this to Eclipse. I'll put it here, and then we have the Minecraft server here. We don't actually have Minecraft, so maybe we will add that next. Something I almost forgot. So I will actually get the Minecraft from Beta World's website. I think it's easiest way for me to get it. So we will wait that this loads, or we will just press there and go. This is good for us. So here we wanna take, I want to just take vanilla, no additional mods for testing, so we don't have skin or anything like that. Or we, well, So what I will take will be just be like normal version, but maybe I will take vanilla because I'm not gonna use even my real account. So this is like fully vanilla. Put here we are downloading. And there we have it soon installed here. My computer, we can see the file here. Then we can open it. We can accept it. Test version, enter game, it will install its stuff. Meanwhile, we can look into the server that's here. Oh, it's actually was able to start. We don't need that many. Just something so it works better. Yeah, this is good. Let's test that this works. Yeah, seems to work nicely. Good thing. And then we can actually, I will just drag this to recycle because we don't really need that stuff anymore. We have launcher, we can have these two here, and these can be the server over here. Launcher and Eclipse and the server. Now let's actually start the actual server, so we have that thing ready. So I have these two files here. This is start, very simple, it just starts this, so it runs this command, and here, then we have restart here. As you can see, I have actually added some comments here, so it's very easy to use. But for this test, we will just use the start and start the server once, so it will create everything we need. As you can see, it showed some errors here because there were no files. Now it's creating level 0. This is like overworld, and level 1 is nether. Yeah, this will take some time actually. Well, it's starting. We can also start doing Eclipse. So we will start Eclipse. No, we wait. We wait for some time because this thing starts very slowly. So So now Eclipse is asking the folder. It will be in your under user folder normally, so this is good for me. Just to remember this path. We'll need it later, or you might need, or no need, you can always check this out, but yeah. Now we can start this. It will actually start the Eclipse here. This has loaded. We do save all, and then we can type about to see that this is running CrafBukkit, and this is the version here. So that's it. We can exit out of the. Oh, wait, we need to stop this server. So here we are in Eclipse. This landing page is different for you if you have on different version. What you need to locate is this workbench button. I think it's up here in your versions. So we will go over here. And this is our Eclipse here. We don't need this for this window, so we can make this a little bit smaller. Some things I like to change here is numbering. So there is show line numbers. This is enabled by default in newer versions, but in this version it's not. And then another thing we wanna make is, or there is this Java installed years, and here we have this 1.8, which is default to this computer. We will add a new standard VM, and we will browse into the VM. It should be in computer C program files, and Java or Java is in here, this folder. So you click this, you wait, and you get all the files here. So when finish that, we will actually make that to be default here. We press OK. Oh, and so one thing more we wanna change is go General Workspace. And here we have this setting. I will change this to UTF-8 because this encoding is more used than the others. And then later, if you want to use something like Git, it's very good that this is set already, so you don't have to convert your projects. So now we can press OK, and we have Eclipse here ready to go. And then we have server here. One thing, as you noticed, when we have the server, this window is it does not go very far. So let's change that. So you can just change the mode is the command to do that. I will just put like mode, I don't know, 400. Is that too much? It's way too much. I just did mode 150, so this window always starts in larger form. 150 is good for my screen, but yeah, if you have newer windows, you don't need this command. But I kinda like it. I can do this. I was just wondering that the restarting script here does this. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. So this just calls the start. So let's add mode 150 here. So basically what this restarting does, it starts the server, and if I stop it, it will crash. What? Why did it crash? Isn't. Okay, so if you are on Windows XP and you have the original choice.com, we have to change some commands here. So first of all, this we will change to this, and this we will change to this, and we will add here. We will take this from here, put put it here, comma here, and now this is how choice works. So now we can restart this. If we stop, it will ask us what to do next, and we can actually toggle restart. Yellow means that it will auto restart, red means it will not see, just clears the screen. As means that it will start, and T is terminate. So yeah, one thing we will do in the latest thing we will do now is we will test to join this server. So one important thing we need to do is that we go server properties file, and there is a couple important things we wanna change. First of all, we wanna change online mode. It's already false. It seems to be already false, but this needs to be false if you wanna join. You can just put zeros here for local network, and this port is default, so that's good. Yeah, this is pretty good like this. If you don't wanna like load nether, you can put false here, and it will make the server easier. Actually, we don't need nether right now, and or monsters or animals. We don't need anything like this. Let's just make this smaller, easier to run, and yeah, that's good. So yeah, just save it, and then we can close the file. So now we can start this, and we can also go to our server. So let's open Minecraft. It's hidden back here. Enter the game. The address is 127.0.0.1. This is a loopback address for back to like our network here. This will loop back to our network. So if we now press this window here and this here, we can connect. And we are in game, and we are glitching in ground. So yeah, we type both. We can see that we are running CraftBukkit here 1060 as it states, and here we have this console, and we can type hi, and it's visible here, and we can say hi back. And now we can see hi there. So that's it. In next episode we will create our first plugin. A very simple plugin. So let's go continue in next version, next video. Thanks for watching, and see you on next episode.